Let's go! Little red tractor, he's king of the fields, getting his jobs done with Stan at the wheel. He's not the biggest, but he's a hero. Little red tractor, let's go! With Sparky and Nipper and Big Blue too, and lots more friends in tow. Little red tractor, let's go! There you go. That's your trailer attached. First on our list of jobs to do today is to check on the sheep. Ready? That's strange. I can't see the sheep anywhere. Well, come on. We'd better investigate. This is unlike them. I've never seen them all gather at this end of the field before. Maybe something has frightened them. Could be a stray dog. Let's check the hedges for any gaps. What was that? There's something there. I can hear it. Wait. I can see something. Oh, it's only a rabbit. Come on, let's look further up.
Morning, Stan.
Hi there, Mr. Turvey. I'm on the lookout for a stray dog.
Can't say I've seen one, and I've jogged the full length of the lane. About to do another lap, so I'll keep the old eyes peeled. What do you want a dog for? Thought you had a dog. What's his name? Thingy.
Patch.
Patch, that's it. Patch the dog.
Yes. But it's just that something has been frightening my sheep. Can't think what it could be except for a stray dog.
Well, there is one new animal in the neighbourhood. It's quite something.
Really? What?
A llama. Mr. Jones got a new llama.
A llama?
A llama! Big white thing. Looks like a camel. Well, not a camel, but you know.
I wonder why Mr. Jones would want a llama.
Search me. Well, must run. Got to keep burning off the calories.
See you. Come on, little red tractor. Let's finish checking these hedges.
Wait till Stan sees the new addition to my farm. He will be so jealous. Hello, Llama. It's only me. Nice Mr. Jones. Now, how would Llama like a nice brushy-washy then? There we go. Nice Llama. Oops-a-daisy. Just a little tangle. Maybe if I brush a little harder. There, nearly done. What did you do that for?
Hello?
Up here, Stumpy!
What are you doing up there?
My llama attacked me!
What's one of them, then?
A llama is one of those!
Oh, I see. You can't be scared of this fluffy little thing.
Be careful, Stumpy! He could attack at any moment!
Hello, little chap. Oh, you're a cute one, aren't you? He seems very friendly to me.
Could you perhaps part with the llama for long enough to get me down?
I'll have to call Stan. I don't have a ladder, see?
Oh, I am going to look like such a fool.
Looks like a stray dog may have got through the hedge here. We'd better get this gap blocked up. Hello? Hi, Stumpy. Mr. Jones? Stuck up a tree? I'll go fetch my ladder. We'll be right over. Come on, little red tractor. We have to go and rescue Mr. Jones.
Thank you, Stan. Thank you, little red tractor.
So this llama of yours attacked you?
Yes, I was giving his coat a brush and he spat at me.
From what I know, llamas don't usually do that.
And there's more. He then kicked me into this tree. I was told he was tame, but I think he's wild.
I suggest you wash him down first. It'll be a lot easier to groom him when his coat is wet.
Well, that's a good point. I always find it easier to groom my hair when it's wet.
I see. Well, thank you all for your help, but I am sure I'll be fine now.
Well, we have to get back and fix a hedge in Middlefield. Let me know if you need anything else.
Now then, nice llama, it seems we got off to a bad start. So, how about a nice little washy poo, hmm? That water has come out far too fast. Sorry.
Oh, not again. Not
Oh, we were so close! Nearly a whole trip around the block without a breakdown.
I say, Walter!
Rusty, you can speak.
Not the car, you fool!
Mr. Jones?
Up here!
Oh, hi there. Oh, nice day for a bit of tree climbing.
Quite, but I am not tree climbing, I am stuck. Could you help me get down?
No ladder, I'm afraid. Tell you what, I'll give Stan a ring.
Oh, no.
Well, looky here, a llama. Hello, boy. You're a lovely-looking fella.
Be careful, he's wild.
Oh, you're not scared of a llama? He's so cute. Look at his little face.
Walter! How about getting me down?
Yeah, excuse me for a moment. I need to call Stan. Oh, you'll like him.
They've already met.
I hope that'll keep the sheep safe. The trouble is, we can't be here all the time to keep an eye on them. Hello? Hello, Walter? Really? I see. We're on our way. You're not going to believe it, little red tractor. We have to go and rescue Mr. Jones. Again! Come on, let's go!
I was trying to dampen his coat before I groomed him, but the water came out too fast.
Came out too fast?
Yes, the hose, you see, it was set to jet wash.
Why didn't you use a bucket? No wonder the poor thing was upset.
Look, Stan, I think you're right. I really don't know how to look after him. Everything I do seems to upset him, and yet he loves everyone else.
I may have an idea that helps us both. How about I take the llama?
You would? What do you need a llama for, Stan?
Something has been worrying my sheep. Llamas make great guard animals, so I could keep him in Middlefield to look after the flock. The question is, how to get him over there.
I have a horse box, Stan. You could use that.
Little red tractor, are you up for towing the llama over to Middlefield?
Oh, Stan, thank you. If there's anything I can do...
Well, actually, you could tow me and Rusty back to the garage.
Oh, very well.
Seems like you found a new friend, little red tractor. Hi, Stumpy.
Hello, Stan. I just popped by to see how the llama's settling in.
He's doing fine. He seems to like his new home. The sheep absolutely love him, and little red tractor has made friends too.
Welcome to Gosling Farm. Are you going to give him a name?
Good idea. What about Larry?
Oh, he likes that. Welcome, Larry.
Just thought I'd drop by and see how the little chap is settling in.
As you can see, he's fine. Why not come and say hello?
Hello, llama.
His name's Larry.
Hello, Larry.
Oh, come on. He's not going to bite.
He hates me.
Oh, no. No, kitty.
There. You're okay.
Where did Mr. Jones go?
I'm not sure.
Can anyone help me down?
Oh, dear. Looks like we're going to need the ladder again.